This isn't just another learner bike. This is the 2024 Yamaha R125, the ultimate gateway into the legendary R-Series family. Born from pure racing DNA, it's designed to be the most premium, track-ready 125cc machine on the market, matching superbike aerodynamics with razor-sharp handling. The aggressive new face, complete with an M-shaped nose and a powerful central LED headlight, is pulled straight from the M1 MotoGP bike, giving it a commanding big bike presence that stands out in the A1 category. Under the fairings, the heart of this machine is a 125cc liquid-cooled engine producing the A1 legal maximum of 15 horsepower and 11.5 Nm of torque. What sets it apart is Yamaha's variable valve actuation, VVA technology, which switches cam profiles to provide strong torque at low speeds and thrilling power all the way to its 11,000 RPM peak. It's built on the legendary lightweight Delta Box chassis, featuring an aluminum swing arm and high-spec 41mm KYB upside-down front forks for incredibly planted and agile cornering. To keep that power in check, you get a premium traction control system and an assist and slipper clutch, ensuring smooth deceleration and maximum stability even under hard riding. The tech continues in the cockpit with an R1-inspired 5-inch full-color TFT display. You can choose between street and track themes, featuring a programmable shift light and even a lap timer that can memorize 25 laps. With full smartphone connectivity via the MyRide app, you get turn-by-turn navigation, weather updates, and call notifications directly on your dash. Whether you're looking at the iconic Icon Blue, the stealthy Tech Black, or the exclusive 70th Anniversary Edition, the R125 isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about connecting to our world with best-in-class performance and a finish that looks like it belongs on a world-class starting grid.